Hello and welcome. My name is David Isamuji. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Yeah, my channel is all about print on demand and using Canva for my print on demand. I don't want to waste your time. I'm just going to say watch this video to the very end and you can come back and just check how the process has gone and what you enjoy from the video. You can like, share, and gain from the video. I generally make this design for you guys, so make sure you stick around so that you don't miss out. I create as much designs as possible and I use the dimension you see here for 500 by 500. So I make these designs for you guys so that you guys can upload to print on demand seller Redbubble, probably matched by Amazon, and make profit while creating such designs. So if this is something you're interested in, you want to start making money from passive income, or you're already making money from passive income and just need motivation, just need design inspiration for your store, then my channel is for you. Please subscribe so that you don't miss out on uploads. Yeah, I'm going to go straight right onto this one. To start with, I'm going to go to elements because I want to bring in two elements here. One will be a max. All right, that will be the first one. That will be the first element I want to bring into this design. Okay, going to be the first element I bring into this design. It's going to be a max. So let me just find one. Okay, let me just find one. Okay, so I can use this one. All right, says wear a mask. Okay, so now I have this wear a max. Okay, then I'll go back and type in Santa. Okay, you can decide to put in the design the way you want it to be, but I prefer to just go through and just, okay, like I can use this one. So let me just put this in to this design. Okay, I'll just turn this right like so. Okay, so you can see how easy this has been so far. So I can do Control A and group this together. That's the first step. So now I have them grouped together so I can move them together. All right, so it says wear a max. You can see how easy it is for me to get all these elements together. So I'll just reduce it because I don't want it to be this big, as you can see. So I'll just reduce this. So to do that, I'll move my cursor to this edge, press down my left mouse click button and move my mouse cursor in and out. Okay, so I have that just placed in the middle like so. So it says wear a max, and now I'll just add in my own little text. Okay, I'll just add in my own little font text in this one. Wear a max or Miss Santa, that's what I want it to say. So I'll increase this. All right, so I'll just increase this on group. I'll ungroup this, click on this and delete that because I don't want that in my design. So I'm left with this one. So I'm just going to highlight this, Control A to highlight all. So it's going to say wear a max or Miss. Okay, or Miss Santa. All right, I put my apostrophe. So it says wear a max or Miss Santa. So you can decide to go in and change these colors. All right, and use from this array of colors. Right, just change it as much as you want. You can see how easy it is to create this design. This design was not complicated at all. Okay, it was not complicated at all. So it says wear a max, okay, or Miss Santa. As simple as that. As simple as that. So you can see it was not hard to get this design out. So we'll just increase this a bit. So to do that, you move your cursor to this edge like I did in the other part. In the other part of this video, press down your left mouse click button and just drag that out. So it says wear a max, okay, or Miss Santa. So you can see how easy it was to bring this design to life. It was not complicated. My designs are never complicated. They are always super easy to bring together. So you can see now I was just going through using elements, using text, using colors to put this together. It didn't take me a lot of time to get this done, and that should be the aim. Your design should never ever be complicated. Super easy design sell more and produce more conversion rates, if you ask me, and that is always the aim with my channel. Now this is the important part. You check the first link in the description. Most of you are not using the link and you guys are asking me how can you get Canva Pro. Check the first link in the description if you want to get Canva Pro free from me for 30 days. Yes, you get your first 30 days free on me. Trust me, Canva is not going to take your cash. They just need your information. You're going to get the first 30 days free on me. Why do you need Canva Pro? You need Canva Pro because you want to always get rid of the white background. You don't always want the white background in your design. This is super important. You never want the white background in your design. Secondly, elements. There are some pro elements and there are some free elements. I will always advise you to use pro element in your design, and only with Canva Pro will you get pro elements. So please make sure you get Canva Pro. So now we'll just hit the download button. As you can see, to get transparent background you need the pro version. So I'll just hit download. I have that, doing that again. So I'll just hit download and it's going to download for you guys, and once it's done downloading you can go over to make sure you look at your design and make sure your design comes out well. Your design should never, once again, should never be complicated. See how easy and cool this design looks, and it's a Christmas trend, so what are you expecting? Please make sure you like and subscribe if you've not done that already. I appreciate you guys' time. To your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists. Make sure you don't click off. Watch as much videos on my channel as possible, and yes, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Please remember to stay safe. I love you all.